Users must enter authentication before starting MELAtrace Pro to ensure that documentation and approval are only performed by trained practice personnel. If the login data should also be entered before a process step, please click on User Administration and then on the Authentication tab. Please mark the desired steps with a blue X in the checkbox and save the settings. You can also activate an auto-logout. Please mark the appropriate function with a blue X and enter the desired time in the entry field. You'll be logged out from MELAtrace Pro automatically after this set period of inactivity. Finally, please save your changes.